Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking the essentials. Confirm movement keys, WASD, ability binds, and utility keys are responsive. Once done, save a hardware profile in your keyboard software so settings persist across matches. Make sure polling is appropriate for your system. Drop to 500 Hz if you see stutter. Position your keyboard so your forearms are neutral, not angled. This reduces fatigue and improves consistency. From here, enter a practice range warm-up to verify binds and feel before jumping into competitive play. Now you refine binds so actions flow without thinking. Rebind crouch, walk, and voice to keys your fingers naturally rest on. Experiment with toggle versus hold to find what preserves your aim. Assign 1-2 side keys for buy/loadout or smoke combos, but avoid macros that automate gameplay. Simple multi-press sequences are enough. Once bound, drill. Do short 5-minute routines combining peak, ability, and shooting. Repeat until timing feels automatic. This encoding of sequences into muscle memory is why tailored binds beat. Finish by validating your setup under match pressure. Play an unranked game and note any bind that disrupts decision-making. If a key misfires or lags, update keyboard firmware and drivers first, then test the keyboard on another PC to determine if it's hardware. Make sure anti-ghosting/N-key rollover is enabled in software. Backup profiles to cloud or a USB so you can quickly restore settings. If problems persist, swap to the saved profile or factory reset to eliminate config corruption and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.